Okay, so today's August 18th, I believe.
Yeah.
August 18th, and I just got back from shopping. I was shopping when they called that Juliana had to come back home because her ear hurted and she had a fever.
I'm sick.
Well, she is sick, but she tested negative for you know what and for other stuff. Anyways, but this video is, since we're still at like in August, I wanted to decorate the inside of my house for the first time for Halloween.
Okay.
I usually try to decorate outside, at least the bare minimum. When I say bare minimum, is like a little bit, okay?
You know what you should put?
What bit?
You should put like a table, and then put please take one.
Oh yeah, when we leave, that's when we leave the candy outside. But anyways, I wanted to get early into the Halloween shopping extravaganza. So I ended up going to Joann's, Michael's, Marshall's, and then Hobby Lobby. La verdad, hay más cosas de Halloween in, I want to say Michael's and Marshall's. I don't know why I thought Hobby Lobby was gonna have like more like decor for Halloween, but I forgot they're like Christian and they don't really celebrate Halloween. They celebrate harvest. I did find some stuff, but I'll show you guys. So I'm just gonna show you as I go. Les voy a enseñar las cosas que compré para Halloween para decorar. Voy a tratar de hablar en español, en inglés. Ustedes déjenme saber qué idioma prefieren. Let me know what language you prefer, but yeah, I'm just gonna speak however I speak, and that's usually Spanish. So in Michael's, I got this one, and I did have a coupon. Este fue uno de los más baratos.
It says blue.
Yes, it's so cute. It was $22, but I had a 40% off coupon, I believe. So yeah, I had two coupons actually, so they used it in all my purchases. But isn't it cute? We're gonna put this outside the door. And we're not going to decorate now, so this is going to be totally different outfit, obviously.
This is just the things that we bought.
Yeah, it's kind of like the haul, the stuff that we bought. But anyways, yo super emocionada porque I guess we'll start with Michael's.
Yeah.
So the blue thing, I got this bag. That's one. Oh, yeah, sure. You want to help me? So I got these. These are garland, me parece. Garland, and it has little bats. Isn't it so cute? I love the colors. It's so Halloween, so us. Estos estaban en especial a $7.99 o $8 cada uno. We're gonna put it like on top of the TV, maybe in like in the kitchen, on top of the cabinets. We'll find a place, babe. Don't worry. Okay, that's two. I ended up buying this witch pot. La verdad no me acuerdo cómo se llaman. Cauldron, algo así.
A cauldron.
¿Cómo?
A cauldron.
Cauldron. So my thing is I want to try to make a DIY with the clear ornaments so it could look like bubbles and lights. So I'm so excited for this. This one was $7, but I had a coupon, guys, for everything. So the other thing I'm super excited that it's going to go on the walls is some bats.
Oh,
aren't they cute? They're
I've
like
seen these before.
Construction paper bats.
Look in the back.
Okay, this is what I went for specifically because I really, really wanted to get it before they ran out. And it's this garland.
Oh
my God,
What
hold
do
on.
you do?
It's a witch hat garland. I don't know, I just think it's so cute. It's like so festive, so iconic.
Mom,
Halloween status. Isn't it the cutest thing ever? Look, come here so they can see. Little witch hat.
Hi.
A little witch moment.
Hi.
So cute. Do you like it?
Yes, I like it.
I think I'm gonna put this like on the TV or on the kitchen. We'll see. Okay, put that to the side. Don't tangle it. That's what I went for. And then I ended up getting these pumpkins that were on sale. I think they were $5 for all of them. And it has little skeleton hands. I think they're just super cute. And they're just like to throw anywhere. Okay, that's from Michael's. Oh, and I got this little guy. Isn't he cute? Let me see if I show you.
Come with me tonight.
He's so cute. We're gonna put him
on the TV.
Yeah, we're gonna put him like sitting down. And you guys, I wanted to go to Dollar Tree, but I didn't get a chance. So let me show you. Leave it right there, babe, so you can see.
Yeah.
So that's my little jack-o'-lantern guy. Isn't he cute?
He's called
What are we gonna
Pumpkin?
Mr. Pumpkin. We can make him cross his legs. He looks like Humpty Dumpty, right?
Yeah, we'll call him Mr. Pumpkin.
Ese monito se me hizo bien bonito. Como les digo, tenía cupón para todo, okay? So,
Mom, we don't even
we're not gonna say prices because Javier's gonna be watching this video and we don't want him to be like freaking out. Right, babe?
I hope he doesn't.
You hope he doesn't watch our video?
Mom, in the video, can we do a jump cut? Like when we start decorating in the video?
Yeah, that's what I'm doing. I'm showing first and then we'll have another video, like our final decoration.
Like
so this
part
is
two.
just like Halloween shopping, I guess you could say. Okay, so at Hobby Lobby, I got this wood table. So this one's gonna go in the kitchen, va a ir en la cocina como en el granite. And you could put like stuff like that. Isn't it cute? We could put our little pumpkin little guy. But anyways, I got it. I might paint it black because se me hace muy pálido el color. Está bien, está natural. So a lo mejor lo dejo así porque lo puedo usar todo el año. So puedo seguir cambiando las decoraciones de lo que sea. Ok, otras cositas que agarré en Hobby Lobby.
I'm excited.
Yeah, we won't look at that. These are fairy lights. I ended up getting two.
Mom, you could put it around the table.
Yeah, we're gonna use them like for the holidays, so I'm so excited. They're like fairy lights.
Like fairies.
I picked up the glue gun because we're gonna glue the ornaments into the cauldron. I'll try to insert a picture so you guys can have an idea of what I'm talking about. I got clear zip ties because we need to put the garland, like if I strap it somewhere. I ended up getting these pumpkin spice sticks or smells for $1.99. Agarré dos. These could go like in the restroom so I could smell it. So it could smell like pumpkin spice.
Can you eat it?
No, it's just for the smell.
Oh.
I ended up getting scissors. I hope nobody gets them because my kids always get my supplies. And I thought these were cute. These were $2.99. So excited for me. I ended up getting like beads because I am gonna try work on my badge rail because mine's falling off, so I need to get back to it. And I got another pair of fairy lights. Estos están más chiquitas. These were $2.99. The other ones were $7.99, I believe. So super cute. We love that for me. And then I got Juju an orange paint and a yellow paint because she wanted to paint a pumpkin, I believe. These were like 40 cents each. Another thing that I got from Hobby Lobby, and this is really cute. Yeah, give us a thumbs up. This is a clear pumpkin.
You could put
$7. We're gonna put candy in here, like chocolates or something, or goodies. Hershey's Kisses. Yeah, I love those. Or
Hershey's
any kind of candy. I love any kind of candy, but I'm thinking we're gonna put this like this on top of the island. Isn't it cute? And let me show you guys the star of the show from Michael's. I'm so excited. I know Juju's gonna freak out because I freaked out when I saw it. I thought it was like the most cutest thing ever. Aren't they cute? They're witch shoes. Oh my god, I'm obsessed.
What do you put in them?
Nothing, it's just for decorations.
Oh.
This one's $14.99. Y mire, uno igualito, pero uno más chico en Michael's, like smaller boots, and they were pink, like pastel colors, so cute. They were like $19 and they were smaller than these. So these are so cute. These are at Michael's and I'm thinking they're gonna go like this with our pumpkin clear thing with the candy and or maybe Mr. Jack-o'-lantern. I don't know, we'll see. But I'm just obsessed with these. They're so freaking cute. Anyways, yes.
The next day.
Okay, so we're home and I know this is like a different day. Obviously, as you can see, Juliana's better. She doesn't have pink eye no more. But I wanted to show you guys part of the Halloween haul. We ended up going to the 99-cent store. So we ended up getting these little like stand scarecrow type of thing. So they're like pumpkins and a scarecrow. And these were only $3.99. Like I said, we got them at the 99-cent store, which I feel it's a great price. For them. We also ended up getting these skeletons. These were like $1.99, I think. Yeah, $1.99. So I got the gold one and I got the chrome one. And then I have like the nude color no more, so I got these two. Also, I ended up getting like a little, I don't know, like cloth, piece of cloth for like $1.99 or $1.29. And as you can see, you put it different places. I got that for the TV. What is that?
A helicopter.
Just playing with the helicopter. And also here, you want to hold these? We ended up getting these like little ghost things for the outside.
We could put these like on the door handle outside.
Or in the trees. These are so stinking cute. These were $1.29 each. And we got 4 of them, I believe. But yeah, I think that's it.
Oh, we got those things in the back.
What, babe?
So the squircle.
Oh yeah, we showed them already. I think that's it for the haul for now. Once I decor like the inside of the house, I'll probably show you guys how I decorate it. But yeah, that's all the stuff I got. So I hope you guys enjoyed this haul. I know it's like a 2-day part, but it's okay because we're still in August.
And it's 2 minutes long.
But yeah, we'll see you guys later. Bye.
I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in the cradles, profanities.